May 26th, Stock Playbook coming to you. HotStockMarket.com visitors with a little sample of what we're doing. Love to be a part of your community. Looking forward to helping you guys navigate the stock market going forward from here. Dow Jones ended up having a little bounce today, up 8 points. NASDAQ Composite was the big winner, 21 points higher, 0.1%. S&P 500 up 5 points. Lighter volume. Volume tells you where the institutions are going. We think this is just an end of quarter, end of month window dressing as we head into a 3-day weekend tomorrow. I still think the path of least resistance is lower until we emerge from this downtrend line, which has clearly been established with 3 subsequent lower highs. Till we take out this high here, I still think this is just a tradable bounce, and one that we think ultimately will see the market pull back a little more. On a nightly basis, this is again just a sample. We do about 1.5 to 2 hours of content nightly for our subscribers. We manage actual portfolios, different ones. We talk about the stocks in the portfolios, and then we give you individual trading ideas. Toyota Motors, TM, stock sold off after the Japanese earthquake, supply issues. Stock found support at its 200-day moving average. This is the level where institutions could jump in, support the stock. We've seen a nice bounce recently, pulling back to the 50-day. We think Toyota Motors is a great long-term hold. This is a stock. We're not in it for the next day or week. We think Toyota Motors is a $100, $120 stock for those patient enough to ride it as a longer-term investment. RENN, RENN, the Chinese YouTube or Facebook, Chinese operator of a social networking platform enabling users to communicate and share information through their website. IPO was done at 14, very successful, had a gap up, it's pulled back, found the bottom, had a bounce, now drifting back towards the low end of the range. This is a low risk entry level for RENN. You get long here at $12.45. You use the recent low of $12 as your stop loss level. So you're risking 45 cents to the downside to potentially catch a stock that, from a trading standpoint, could be $14, $15, $16 a share. From an investment standpoint, could be $18, $19, $20, $25 a share. The idea is to define your downside risk first and foremost. We own this in our IPO and new issue portfolio. We have a stocks under 10 portfolio, Power Secure. They manufacture energy and smart grid systems for electric utilities and commercial, institutional, and industrial customers. Stock's been basing, little triangle pattern here. You can see if we draw lines here, we've been sitting in this range right here. It's getting tighter and tighter. It's just a matter of time before it breaks out. I'm betting to the upside, but again, you need to put a stop loss in place. Use the 50-day moving average or this support line as your stop loss level. If this thing closes under 750, you're out. If it moves above 8.25, I think it could catch some momentum to the upside, POWR. And then we'll look at intraday or trades. Aruba Networks is a stock after they came out with their revenues and earnings last week. It sold off. We said let's let it find the base around the 25, 26 range. The 200-day moving average will be used as support. We sent out an intraday alert to our subscribers getting long at $25.50, 5 cents off of the low on Wednesday last week, Monday. We now have a nice little pop. We're continuing to hold it. We've raised our stop loss level up from 25 to now our entry level at 25.50, and we're hoping to ride this for whatever it's worth with a trailing stop. I think we could see Aruba Networks up at $29, $30 a share into the end of the month, in which case we would suggest taking your 18 to 20% profit off the table. Travelzoo is a name we like as an investment. We gave this to our subscribers back in August of last year at $16 a share. We flagged it in March of this year at $38, $39 a share, and we enjoyed a great run. Took some profits off the table. Now looking to revisit the name as it's finding support here at the 50-day moving average. Identiv Group, Nice little pop. They're priced a secondary offering at $2.55. We think this is a great entry level for this stock down here at $2.39 as an investment. Use the 2.25 area as your stop loss. And last but not least, our subscribers had Route 21, where we recommended the $30 calls. We'll see how they treat this tomorrow. But Route 21 is a stock that on the pullback to 200-day we liked as a trade on their earnings coming out, which looks like they came out. They look good. We'll see how it trades tomorrow. But this is just a small sampling what you can expect from the stock playbook, and it's 7 or 8 different videos on a nightly basis. Sign up for a free trial. We'll talk to you soon.